I'm borrowing my friend's piano here. Hear that? I pray that God gives me one. I believe it. I believe it. He's gonna get me a piano. I mean, I'm gonna get one. Like my husband. I think he'll get me a piano. I love the piano. It is an amazing tool to worship God with. I was actually drawn to a piano my whole life. When I got this little piano when I was like 12 years old. And I kid you not, this mean girl from my Mormon church, right when I was starting to begin to play it, I was like 12 years old. All of a sudden, this mean girl from my Mormon church showed up in front of me. I'm not kidding you. And she asked me if she could have the piano. And I gave her the piano. I just put batteries in it to play on it. That was crazy. That was the devil, y'all. The devil did not want me to have a piano. He didn't. But God did. So, thank you, Lord. In the Bible it says in Ephesians 6:12, we don't wrestle against flesh and blood. That means we don't wrestle against people. We don't wrestle against people. We do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, against spiritual wickedness in the heavenly places. I am probably not quoting it right. You should go check it out in the Bible. It's in Ephesians 6:12. But we don't wrestle against people. It's flesh and blood. That's people. Who has flesh? Who has blood? People. Flesh and blood. But against principalities, powers. There's a spiritual wicked realm. And there are demons in people. So I wanna know why you would go to people and make them your strength. I wanna know why it is people wanna go to a therapist to get fixed emotionally when they're not the ones that collect all your tears in a bottle. But he does. He collects all your tears in a bottle. He's the one that made you. He's the one that loves you. Oh, my heart burns for you. Oh, my heart, it burns for you. Oh, my heart, it burns for you. Oh, my heart, it burns for you. It burns for you. There's an amazing Psalms that I found that'll really help you. Because I know going through stuff emotionally is hard. But don't make people your strength. Make him your strength. Because people will hurt you over and 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 over again. But he will restore your soul if you seek him with all your heart. Seek him, worship him, enter into his presence, enter into his presence. You'll learn to know his love. You'll learn he's the only one that will love you right. He's the only one who will love you tenderly, gently, sweetly, perfectly. He's so perfect. He's so perfect to me. He's so perfect. Don't you see? He lives inside of me. If he lives in you, why do you make people your strength? Why do you make people your strength? Why do you make people your strength? He formed you. He knows you. He formed you in your mother's womb. He knows you. He loves you. His thoughts towards you are precious, so precious. So why do you run to flesh? Why do you make man your strength? Why? I don't understand it. You're perfect, Lord. Your ways are higher than my ways. Your thoughts are higher than my thoughts. Your ways are higher than my ways. Your thoughts are higher than my thoughts. Your ways are not my ways. Oh, your ways are not my ways. Oh, I will seek you. I will seek you. Like Psalms 100 or 104 says, I will sing and praise you. I will enter into your presence where there is joy. Oh, I love you. I will push through. We do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against spiritual wickedness in heavenly places. Bring your word alive in our hearts. Oh, bring your word alive in our hearts. Oh! In Jesus' name, amen. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.